Welcome! In front of me I have Xplora X5 Play, and I'm gonna show you how to turn off this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can wake it up by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe left on the screen to open the menu, then swipe left on the screen a couple more times until you find the settings icon, and then tap on the settings icon to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down and find the option called shutdown, and then tap on it, and then tap on confirm to basically confirm and turn off the watch. And at this point the watch is turned off. You can also turn off the watch remotely if your watch is paired with a phone. So we can bring the phone right here, zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen of the phone. Let's actually turn on the watch quickly. So let's press and hold the button to turn it on. And while the watch is turning on, let's open the Xplora app on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, you should see the devices page. Now you can scroll down through it, and at the bottom you should see the option called remote shutdown. You can tap on it, and here you can tap on remote shutdown button to basically turn off the watch remotely. So let's wait until it's done turning on, and we're gonna tap on this option to showcase that it's working. So the watch is turned on now. We can tap on remote shutdown, tap on remote shutdown button, and then tap on OK. And the watch should start turning off automatically after a couple of seconds, like this. Okay, and that's how you turn off this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.